Meaning of drastically.
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 Drastically. Drastically means in a way that has a severe or extreme impact on something. When an action is taken drastically, it involves significant change or reduction in a short period of time. For example, when a company slashes its workforce drastically, it means they are reducing a large number of jobs suddenly and significantly. When a person changes their diet drastically, it means they are making a radical shift in their eating habits, perhaps eliminating entire food groups. Ultimately, drastic actions are usually perceived as having a significant impact that can be both positive or negative, depending on the outcome.